Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 12 Structured Query Language. SQL. Here, SQL means S for structured, Q for query, L for language. Structured means it has certain form. It consists of syntax and rules. It's predictable and reliable. Query means it asks questions of data and it returns the data to answer the question. SQL is used to communicate with the database. According to ANSI, ANSI means American National Standard Institute. It is the standard language for DBMS. Processing skills of SQL and components of SQL. Why is it important to learn SQL? Here, SQL is an exceptional reason programming language. What is meant by exceptional reason programming language? Here, exception means it's an event which occurs during the execution of a program that disrupts the normal flow of the program's instruction. It works by understanding and analyzing the databases that include data fields in the tables. For example, we can take a large organization where a lot of data had to be stored and managed. Like without data, businesses would not have the ability to manage finances, could not transactions or contact with customers, etc. If we have created databases to store and organize data, and also we are accessing whenever we required. History of database. Once upon a long ago, around 1955, every program managed by its own data. Some data came on decks of punched cards, some came on paper or plastic strips, some came on reels or cartridges of magnetic tapes. All of this was formatted in ways specific to a given purpose and often for a specific program. Even disk files were just streams of records or bytes. If you didn't know or infer that formatting, then the data was unusable, almost like it was encrypted. DBMS packages and SQL in specific allow the data exist apart from a specific program or packages. This is the way the data had a defined structure with names for tables and columns and some rudimentary logic. Here, rudimentary logic means things like default values and constraints. Here constraints means it applied some conditions. While SQL and other DBMS packages has evolved as a data and processing becomes more complex and capable. The original purpose for SQL was to give the data a common form and independence from the application that data. Real lifetime example. SQL is everywhere. Almost all of the biggest names in tech uses SQL like Uber, Netflix, Airbnb, the list goes on. Even within companies like Facebook, Google and Amazon, which have built their own high performance databases, but software data teams uses SQL to query data and perform analysis. If you want to get a job in data, your focus should be skills that employers want. To demonstrate the importance of SQL, specifically in data-related jobs, I analyzed 25,000 jobs advised on Indeed based on SQL skills. So, try to learn SQL. Rabo. Hi Niti. What is mean by database? Database is a collection of tables that store sets of data that can be queried for use in other application. What is mean by DBMS? A DBMS is a software supports the development and administration and use of database platforms. What is mean by RDBMS? RDBMS means row-based table structure that connects related data elements and include CRUD functions. What is mean by CRUD? The functions related to create, read, update and delete operations collectively known as CRUD. How data is stored in RDBMS? The data in RDBMS is stored in database objects called tables. A table is a collection of related data entries. Already we know a table consists of rows and columns. How data is stored in a row? Related fields or columns that exist in a table. Here, a record is a horizontal entity in a table which represent the details of a particular student in a student table. How data stored in a column? A field is a column in a table that is designed to maintain specific related information about every record in the table. It's a vertical entity that contains all information associated with specific field in the table. For example, if we are going to take student table, it may be of the type admission number, student name, student age, student class, place, etc. Here these are the field names. Oh, how much process are going this RDBMS by using SQL? Yes. Bye. Processing skills of SQL. The SQL has been established as a language that can be used by both casual users as well as skilled programmers. It offers a wide range of processing capabilities, simpler ones that may be used by the beginners and the more composite by the expert class of users. The various processing skills of SQL are: first one is data definition language. It's used to define data structure. For defining related schemas, deleting operation or creating operations or modifying operations, etc. Next one is data manipulation language. Here data manipulation language means it used for accessing data in a database. Here accessing means if you want to create or update or delete a database. Third one is embedded data manipulation language. Here data manipulation language allows users to access and retrieving database in both interactive and embedded. Here embedded means host programming language. View definition. Here SQL commands allows for defining the views of tables. Authorization to give access rights to relation and views of tables from authorized users. Integrity, it provides some integrity for checking the condition. Transaction control, here SQL includes some commands for file transactions and control over transaction processing. Creating database. If you want to create a database, you have to type the command create database, then database name, end with semicolon. For example, create database, Here my database name is student. So create database student end with semicolon. If we create a database, we are going to use the particular database. To work with the database, we have to type the command use database. For example, use student. Here use is the keyword student. For example, to use the student database created, to give this command use student, I have to access the particular student database.